Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hand.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to film a video on how I got these beautiful flirty waves. So if you want to see how I got these waves, make sure to keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by just brushing out my hair, getting any tangles out, and making sure that everything's ready for me to start styling. I'm then going to take a rat tail comb and I'm going to section my hair with half of it up, half of it down, and just twist that up and hold it with a clip. So now, as you see, I've parted my hair down the middle in the back just to separate it. And I'm going to begin by taking I guess 2-inch sections. And this all depends on the size of your iron. And I'm going to begin crinkling. Now, I hold my iron on here and I count to 12. Now, based on how hot your iron is, make sure to adjust the time. But I keep it on there for 10 seconds. And when I say 10 seconds, I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too long because we don't want to burn the hair off. Now, as you can see, every time I move the iron, I put the top of the wave iron on the last hump I made. That way the waves look like they're endless and it doesn't have breaks in it. Once again, guys, don't forget to place the top of the iron. As you can see, it's basically made like a S. And so there's 2 humps on the top and 1 hump on the bottom. Don't forget to place the top hump of the iron on the last hump you made using the wave iron, so that the waves there are continuous. If you don't, it'll be like a wave and then a break and then a wave, and it just won't look as neat. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm making it to the halfway point of my head. Make sure to keep the iron straight. I know you can have a tendency to lean your hand diagonally, and that'll cause the waves to come out diagonal. It won't be straight across, and you'll have to redo it. Or, I mean, maybe you won't, but it just won't look like the rest of your waves. So make sure that you keep the iron perfectly straight, because if not, the waves are going to come out in whichever direction you hold the iron. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to repeat that whole process on the other side of my head to complete the look. Here's some video footage of the final look. I hope you guys like. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want to see these dance moves, girl, make sure to check out my money video. The link will pop up on the screen. Bye guys!